Morning all. The Chairman of the Land Transport Authority Board and the Secretary, Ministry of Commerce, Trade, Tourism and Transport, and to the LTA Board of Directors, the CEO, Land Transport Authority, LTA staff, ladies and gentlemen, Bulavinaka, and a very good morning to all of you. It's a pleasure to be here today to officially open the LTA office here in Lami. From what I understand, ladies and gentlemen, this office is a prime location for the business community in Lami and nearby residents to make use of. This new office will give Fijians access to LTA's services within their locality. And it's worth noting that between May 2019 and May 2020, the LTA processed over 900,000 transactions in 8 different locations in the Central Division alone. The Lami office plays a vital role in the processing of customer transactions, and office processes more than about 9,000 customers per month. Some of the main transaction services that are undertaken at this particular Lami office include vehicle registration and driver license applications, learner's permit applications, driver's license renewals, and the fine payments. This office, ladies and gentlemen, is a fundamental part of LTA's customer service reform, with the objective to provide Fijians better access to LTA services that we can actually deliver. Previously, customers from Lami had to travel to the LTA office in Suva, and as the new Minister for Transport, I've actually set out the policy direction for LTA. There is a new direction for the LTA, a direction that is actually focused on being the best organization that is focused on customer service. And I wish to reiterate the message that I've conveyed to the CEO and to the board of LTA. And the message simply is, with respect to improvement of customer service, that as a customer service organization, LTA's paramount goal is to enhance the service delivery and ensure customers are satisfied with the service. The embracement of technology for a more transparent and an on-time service delivery. LTA customers should be able to access services and pay for those services from the comfort of their homes and not stand in lines in an office. And also with respect to good governance, being accountable for your actions. So, ladies and gentlemen, the Fijian government, through its digital transformation intention, has introduced LTA's online services for customers to control their information at the palm of their hands. Now, this effectively enables customers to carry out LTA transactions on the newly launched online services. From about the 18th of May this year, LTA has registered about 60,000 customers to the world of doing business and doing business online through its e-services platform and the LTA smartphone app. Now, ladies and gentlemen, LTA traditionally has been responsible for implementing the safety of all public road users by the means of establishing standards for registration and for licensing and controlling and coordinating and actually planning and implementing road safety in Fiji, and also monitoring and evaluating the effectiveness of programs and strategies of the organization, to name a few. If you look at it globally, there's an estimated 1.3 million people that die each year from road fatalities, and a further 10 million are actually injured as a result of road accidents globally. Speeding is a major cause of road fatalities in Fiji. Therefore, it's incumbent on all road users, especially vehicle owners and drivers, to practice safety on our roads at all times. Now, ladies and gentlemen, the Fijian government, through its 5-year and its 20-year national development plan, aims to modernize the land transport sector through robust transport systems. Emission standards and energy efficiency for transport will be a key priority. On Sunday, the Honourable Prime Minister alluded to the new normal for Fiji, as mentioned earlier by our Master of Ceremonies. in building resilience to COVID-19. Now, this means we still need to be mindful of the risks of transmitting the virus, and which desolately has no cure. Ladies and gentlemen, efficient internal transport and logistics infrastructure and system are essential to support economic activity in Fiji, including the tourism industry and other vital export industries. Hence, the role of the Ministry of Transport and LTA is critical in this time of post-COVID-19 economic recovery. The key focus for the Ministry and LTA will be the reduction of traffic congestion and reducing the burden on customers and better service delivery. The Ministry, with the support of key stakeholders such as the LTA and FRA, will review the existing draft National Transport Sector Plan and develop a new plan. And this comprehensive plan will lay the policy direction for the Fijian government and all stakeholders. Now, you, the customers, are a critical component and need to be part of that development of that particular plan. And your input in the process is very important. Now, coming back to today's event, ladies and gentlemen, which I want to re-emphasize something, your government's effort to improve the services for you. I encourage all the staff and the customers to continue practicing social distancing as mentioned earlier on the program, and to ensure that you're at all times protected whilst visiting the LTA offices. You know, the necessary COVID-19 protocols have been put in place for a reason, and we want to prevent the transmission of the virus, which has, changed the landscape of basically absolutely everything that we do. And I respectfully invite all the businesses and residents in the Walu Bay and in the Greater Lami area to make use of the opportunity and capitalize on the services provided by the LTA. So with those few words, ladies and gentlemen, I officially declare the LTA Lami Harbour Point office open. Thank you very much. Nawalem.
Fines, yeah.